right, Michael's in the hot seat right now. Oh, that's a bad one.
That's not great.
Oh no, babe.
This was worse than I could not have screwed that up anywhere. Alright, you're playing for 400. You're doing the double deal.
You chose 5 cases. B1 low value.
That was not great. You're very confident in your decision. 200 or 16.
This is not right.
108. Do you have the 200 tickets?
If I get 16 on this, I'm going to go bananas.
Go! You had it! Second highest option, and you picked it.
Yeah.
That was excellent.
That was a good risk. That was a good
I'm
risk.
very impressed.
Thank you. Nope.
Oh, I couldn't grab the black one.
Oh
Except
shoot.
it swung too hard.
Darn it. One more time,
There we go.
Come on, brown duck. Yes.
I got it that time.
What?
I had it. I couldn't have grabbed him any better.
No, you couldn't have. It just threw it back in the thing.
I'm sad.
That you should feel sad. We were just robbed. Gosh. Well, that was fun. All right, so you guys were about to die, so I had to turn you off, but something crazy just happened. I won a crap ton of tickets. Happy birthday to me, right?
So you're gonna be in the
We're
case.
getting that Pikachu. Finally made it back home from the arcade. I had such a great time. We'll start with the arcade first. I got this for, I think he was 3,000 tickets, and I got Hua from Disney's Moana. He's so sweet. He's so soft too. I love him. So anyway, we finished up at the arcade and then we started to drive home, and apparently there's a flash flood happening right now in our area, so that made things really interesting. So we drove home through like a few lakes. Our whole area is like flooding right now. And Michael just happened to mention, he's like, oh yeah, I remember getting like a notice a couple hours ago that was saying like flash flood warning. And then he shows it to me and it's like, it says specifically like, do not drive, stay off the roads and stay off certain parts of town. I'm like, that would have been good to know like a couple hours ago. Thank you so much for joining me for today's birthday vlog. I had an absolutely lovely day. It was so much fun. I won the jackpot at the arcade, so I won 1,000 tickets. And I apparently had very good luck at Deal or No Deal. I won the 200 ticket briefcase twice. So it must be birthday girl luck. Thank you so much for joining me for my 26th birthday. And like I said, I will be going to Disneyland. So stay tuned and subscribe for some Disney content because that will be coming up very soon. This will be my very first time going to Disneyland, so it's a big deal. Make it a great week by trying something new, and I will see you guys next time with some Disney content. Bye for now.